Hello bidders, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ubuchule Bezandla. So today I'm back with a new video, but it is a continuation of a previous video that I uploaded where I was showing you how to make this belt, this diamond design belt, or a choker, because this is a choker. This is going to be a choker because I'm making a neck piece for a client. Okay, so if you are learning how to bead, this method is basic. This is the method that you should start, because once you know this method, this is a netting method. Once you know this method, then you are good to go. You can do anything, because from this method you can do a bracelet, you can do a bracelet, you see, you can do a headband, you can do belt, waist belt, or anklets. You can do a lot of things with this method. So I recommend new beaders to start to learn this method first, because other methods are easy, but this one is a bit complicated, especially when you have to add colors. Okay, so if you haven't watched my previous video where I was showing you this method, then you can go back and watch how to make this part, and then you come back to this video and watch how to make a web neck piece. So I'm continuing with a web neck piece now. And from the comments, you asked me how to connect this a choker to a web neck piece, and I showed you in my other video. And I realized that you guys, when you are making a web neck piece with a choker, you make this part and also this web part separate. I don't do it like that because I think it's time consuming. So today I'm going to show you how I start a web neck piece from this part. I don't do them separate because it's time consuming. I need to connect them at the end. So I think I can't do that. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I start a web neck piece from this neck, from this neck. All right, so ndifuna undijonge ubana ndiyenza kanjani. I add a thread from here. There is a subscriber who asked me how to join a thread. I hope you are watching. This is how I join a thread. Then I make a knot here. Then I go through these beads. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Please take a seat and watch how to make a web neck piece. And please subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, my thread is added or is connected. So now I'm starting a web neck piece. I pick 2 beads, 2 green beads, and 2 gold beads, 3 cream beads. So my gold beads are connectors. This one, this is going to connect. Or they are dividers, these gold beads. Okay, 3 green beads, 2 gold beads, 4 cream beads, 2 gold beads, 4 green beads, 2 gold beads, then 4 again, 4 cream beads, 2 gold, and 5 green beads, 2 gold, and 5 cream beads, 2 gold, and 5 green beads. Two gold, then 6 cream beads, 2 gold, and 6 green beads. 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then 2 gold, seven cream beads, 2 gold, and 7 green beads, 2 gold, Okay. Okay, 7 green beads, and then 8 cream beads, 2, 4, 6, 8, or let me say 7. Yeah, let me pick 7. Then 8 green beads, 8 green beads. The last line, 2, 4, 6, 8. So, and then the last part, I'm picking 4 beads, 4 gold beads. I'm picking 4 gold beads, the last part. 6, 7. Okay, so I'm picking 4 beads that will allow me to turn back up, right, at the end. The reason why I'm picking 4 beads at the end, I know some people pick 3, but the reason why I pick 4 is because I'm going to put some strings when I'm done with the necklace. I'm gonna put strings, but normally if there are no strings, you turn back with 3 beads, like I want to show you, like this. You see, those are 1, 2, 3 beads, but I picked 4 because of the strings that I'm going to put. Okay, oh no, let me pick 5. Let me pick 5. Let me pick 5 instead. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8. Nah, it's fine. 8. Yeah, it's okay. Let me see. Let me put 5, not 4. Let me add 5. Yep. So it's going to be like that, okay? And then there are some subscribers who asked me, how many beads do I put when I start a neck piece? I don't know how many beads I put. This is what I use to measure someone's neck. This is what I use. I use a measuring tape. I don't know how many beads I put. Even this side, I don't count how many beads I put. I just put beads in odd numbers this side. But as long, even at this part, it should be like it's 22. It depends on how big your necklace is. So mine is 22 centimeter long. Okay. All right. So I don't know how many beads, how many starting beads. I really don't know how many starting beads. I use a measuring tape, not counting how many beads. Okay. Okay, now I'm going back up. I'm picking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 2 gold, then 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 cream, 7 cream beads, see. So if this side is 8 beads, this side should be 8 beads also. 7 beads, 7 beads. Six, 7, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Then we go through this bit, then we're starting a new line. Two green, two gold, and three cream. Then you go through this. Yeah, this is perfect. Gogia, when I was starting this channel and I was playing. Navele na subscriber. Ndandizidlalela mna ngoku ndandiqala le channel, so andiyazi uba nina ngoku nindenza into yobana ndenze ii-tutorials. Why are you asking me to do tutorials? I was playing, kanti nina anidlaliswa. Anidlaliswa apha kuYouTube, nivele nje nisubscribe, nizobukela amavidiyo, nishere. And we are on 1.6 subscribers. My wish is to reach at least 3,000 by September. Can we reach 3,000 subscribers by September? Is that possible? Two, three, four, five, six. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Three, four, five, six, seven. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we take 5 gold beads, to turn around. To start a new line or to turn back up. Yeah. So if you are still learning, you don't have to use these beads because these ones are expensive. You can buy cheaper beads and then you learn. To those who've asked me where do I buy my beads, I go to Pretoria in Marabastad. There is Calbro stores and then there's Maki. So if you are new to beading, you can go to Maki stores to buy cheaper beads. And then if you are not new, then you can go to Calbro stores to buy these beads, these ones, high quality beads, check beads. So I just want to check if I still have their number, because you don't have to go there physically. You can call them if you can't go. Like if you don't stay in Gauteng, you are in other province, you can call them. They can send it to you via Pexi. Where is my phone? Okay, here's their number. Calbro stores. For check beads, you go to Calbro stores. It's 012-326-4684. 012, it's their number. You can call them if you are not in Gauteng, so that you can order by phone. You tell them the color number, and then they can courier using PEP. Alright, it's 012-326-4684. And then if you are still learning how to do beads, you can buy cheaper beads from Maki store. Maybe even in Joburg town you can get those beads, but I prefer the ones in Pretoria, Marabastad. Maki stores, I don't have their numbers. But if you go to Marabastad and ask Maki stores, they will show you. They are selling good beads, cheap beads, but they are good. So I prefer them when it comes to cheaper beads. Okay. This is 4, not 5. One, 2, 3, 4. So this is how I make a web neck piece. This is how I make it. I don't separate a web and a choker and connect them at the end, because that is time consuming. I just do it like this. I create a web neck piece from this part. I hope this video was helpful. I'm going to stop here. I hope it was helpful. If you have questions, please ask on the comment section. I will be able to answer you. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next upload. Bye bye.